Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody posted this picture on Facebook. Somebody's already answered them using the envelope tool, but there's really a little bit more to it. If we grab the envelope tool, you see the envelope form. If we will hold down the Shift key when moving, okay, you need to pick single arc. Holding down the Shift key, it's going to make both ends go equally. Same thing with the middle nodes. Just keep your hand on the Shift key and it does both. Now, if you wanted them exactly the same on both ends, which you would, I would suggest bringing in an indexing line, get back to the envelope tool, hold down your Shift key, and it'll snap to that if you have snap to guidelines on. And then that way, both sides are equal. You know, the middle one doesn't matter because you're only doing one, but the outer two need to be on the same plane. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.